In this video, I'll show you how to copy a board in monday.com. Perfect for saving time, reusing templates, or duplicating successful project setups. First, open monday.com and head to the board you want to copy. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, hover over More Actions and select Duplicate Board. A window will pop up asking you to name your new board. Choose a clear, descriptive name so your team can easily recognize it later. Next, decide which elements to duplicate, like updates, assignments, or structure only. You'll also see an option to keep the same subscribers or start fresh with a new team. Once your preferences are set, click Duplicate. Your new board is now ready, carrying over the structure and details you selected. And that's it. You've successfully copied a board in monday.com, making project setup faster and easier. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick monday.com tutorials.